Just In Case Fire Limited has designed a 12-volt self-contained fire suppression system. This patent-pending, high-powered economical fire suppression system has been engineered specifically for the high demands of firefighting. This system has proven its effectiveness in commercial and industrial applications and is now being introduced and prototyped for residential use. This electric FireCaddy system will allow home builders and developers the opportunity to revolutionize the way people can make their homes safe from the threat of fire. This is the first time a homeowner has been given the opportunity to use a cost-effective professional firefighting system to protect themselves from the threat of fire. There is a gap in fire protection between the time a homeowner uses a dry chemical fire extinguisher and the time the fire department can arrive. In the city, the fire department averages 7 minutes to arrive at the scene. In rural areas and acreages, this gap can be up to 30 minutes. Fire expands exponentially, and the results can be devastating. Just In Case Fire considers the FireCaddy fire suppression equipment to be the solution to filling this gap. The FireCaddy allows homeowners to protect themselves from a house fire tragedy by providing the ability to save a loved one who might be trapped in the fire or to evacuate a burning building. Here is how it works. The system can be as simple as the 12-volt FireCaddy attached to a 20-gallon tank or as extensive as attaching it to a swimming pool. The system can be retrofitted for older homes or easily built into new homes. The system is located in this home in the basement furnace room, and plumbing was done to ensure that the tank can refill during use using a float system that will not allow it to overfill. The system has an injection system that allows the use of a professional firefighting foam called FlameOut. FlameOut is UL approved and U.S. Forestry approved as a non-toxic, non-corrosive, environmentally friendly foam that is used by professional firefighters. It is also the first professional firefighting foam that has been approved to be sold to the general public. The advantage of using FlameOut is that it makes water 7 times more effective at fighting fires than just using straight water. FlameOut has been proven effective against Class A fires, wood, paper, and cloth, as well as Class B fires, fuel and flammable fluids, making it the most effective product on the market. As the video shows, a hose station is situated in the cold air register, where the cover can be easily taken out as it is clipped in, rather than screwed into the wall. By simply turning the lever at the junction box, the system immediately turns on, becomes pressurized, and the hose fills with water for instant use. In this example, the lay-flat firefighting hose is 50 feet long and allows the homeowner to reach all areas in the home. The system can be easily expanded based on the size of the home. An estate acreage home was set up to have multiple hose stations. The 12-volt FireCaddy is connected to a 1,000-gallon reservoir and a 5-gallon pail of FlameOut, which is drawn through its injection system at a 3% ratio. This home has 3 stations positioned in strategic and high-fire emergency areas: in the basement next to the FireCaddy system, in the kitchen under the sink, and in the garage. The 12-volt FireCaddy delivers 6 gallons per minute at 120 psi with a maximum flow rate of 8 gallons per minute. The system can use up to 400 feet of hose, but the video shows the homeowner only using 50 feet. The system also has a 40-foot throw, ensuring the homeowner is safely out of reach of the fire and out of danger. The video here illustrates the amount of coverage that the homeowner has in order to fight a fire emergency and to ensure the safety of his family. The next video shows the use of the system on a live fire demo. A condemned home was used as a training opportunity for the Bowdoin Fire Department just outside Calgary. Just In Case Fire Limited was allowed to bring in 2 sofas and wood chairs to set up a mock living room fire so as to demonstrate the 12-volt DC FireCaddy and using flame-out foam. The 12-volt FireCaddy is shown with the 42-gallon tank, which also holds 2.5 gallons of flame-out foam. The emergency procedure for a home fire recommended by Just In Case Fire is to immediately call 911 and to ensure everyone in the house is evacuated and safe. Once that is completed, the FireCaddy equipment and our biodegradable, non-toxic, environmentally friendly foam, flame-out, can be used to ensure that everyone is safe as they escape the home, but also to mitigate or control the fire in time for the fire department to arrive on the scene. The FireCaddy unit is easy to operate and simply requires the operator to push the red start button, which activates the system, and the hose line becomes live and is ready to be used. The FireCaddy can be used with up to 400 feet of hose. The system uses a special pump and injection system that is patent pending from Just In Case Fire, which allows the operator to use a predetermined 3% ratio of foam to water. The system is only drawing power from the battery when the nozzle is open. The battery is capable of running a minimum of 11 minutes of straight runtime. The couches and wood chair were lit with a mixture of gas and diesel and allowed to burn for 1 minute. It took only 14 seconds to put out a full living room fire. The video also demonstrates how fast a house fire can get out of control and the benefits of attacking a fire as quickly as possible. The faster a fire can be attacked, the better the chances are of putting out a fire or controlling a fire. Home builders and developers are becoming committed to building homes and providing lifestyles that are smarter, safer, more efficient, and more environmentally responsible. Just In Case Fire shares these same values and would welcome the opportunity to be a partner in providing families with the opportunity to make their homes safer. We thank you for allowing us to show you our new technology and provide an opportunity to have both our companies show their leadership in their respective industries.